Work energy theorem for a variable force. Here, force is continuously varying in one dimension. By calculating dk by dt equal to d by dt into half mv square, we get dk upon dt is equal to f into dx by dt, which gives dk is equal to f dx. Now, integrating from the initial position xt to final position xf, we have kf minus kt equals to work. Hence, the work energy theorem is proved for a variable force. Work energy theorem involves an integral over an interval of time. It should be noted that it is in scalar form.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.